Today I'll show you how to easily transfer money from a Visa gift card to PayPal. This doesn't work for all Visa gift cards, and it depends on the type of card you use. For example, vanilla Visa cards are often not accepted. Now to add a Visa gift card to PayPal, simply go to the PayPal website and sign into your account where you want to transfer the money. Navigate to the Wallet tab and click on Link a card. Input the Visa gift card details as if it were a credit card. If the card is accepted, it will appear as one of the available payment methods in your wallet. If the card is not accepted, you might receive an error that says the payment method is invalid. In such cases, there isn't a way to use that specific Visa card to transfer funds to PayPal. Vanilla Visa gift cards often face this issue. If the Visa gift card is successfully linked, go to the Send and Request tab. Input the name or email address of the PayPal account you want to send the money to. If you're sending it to yourself, you'll need a secondary PayPal account. In the payment method section, choose the Visa gift card that you linked. Enter the exact amount of the balance on the gift card and proceed with the payment. If you're transferring money to yourself, log into your secondary PayPal account to receive the funds. After completing the payment, check your PayPal balance to confirm that money has been received. Before starting the process, check if your Visa gift card can be added to PayPal by linking it as a payment method. Be cautious when entering the amount to transfer. Make sure you input the exact amount available on the Visa gift card to avoid errors. Some of you might not have a secondary PayPal account, which will make it difficult to send funds to yourselves. Remember to create one if you want to do this.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.